down? Yes, he did. Okada comes up with the interception. Five, Darnold taking a shot downfield. Open again is Horton for a touchdown. The rookie has two. Back at it. Darnold 9 of 9 on the night. Takes another shot. And it's caught by Arroyo for the touchdown. Elijah Arroyo with his first NFL touchdown.
Confidence going in his game right now.
Play action here on first down. 13 of 13. And to the races.